To win, you have to also be subscribed to this channel. If you're watching now and you're not subscribed, you might want to do that now and click the bell as well, because this contest has gone very well and it's something we're going to do again. Hey, welcome back to GT Canada. Today I want to know who's ready to win some money. That's right, if you tuned in to GT Canada about 3 weeks ago, you would have seen that we were doing our very first giveaway. What are we giving away? Well, we are giving away $200 in Amazon gift cards just in time for Christmas. Today, the draw is about to end. I'm on my way home. I'm going to be checking who won the draw from the contest and reaching out to them to let them know that they are the winner. So real quick recap here. The draw was for a $100 gift card for yourself and two $50 gift cards for your friends. Some of the comments said, "Sorry Anton, I don't trust you. I don't think you're actually going to give this money away." I'm sorry to that guy, because we are actually giving the money away. I said I was going to do it, and I do what I say I'm going to do. So if you're watching this now and you missed out on the first giveaway, well, it's not too late. Well, it is too late for this giveaway, but you won't want to miss the next giveaway. The way you do that is by subscribing and hitting the bell. Then, when we post our next giveaway, you will get a notification that says, "Hey, GT Canada is giving away stuff again," and then you can enter at that time. Here I am, I'm sitting at my computer, as you can see. So we're ready to award. I'm going to click the button and see who it picks. There we go. And there you have it. We've just drawn our winner. I'm looking for Lori or Dwayne. I'm going to give them a call right now and let them know that they've won. You're going to hear it live while I call right now. So here we go. Put it on speaker so you can hear. They're in Manitoba. Hello, is Lori or Dwayne there, please? Hey Lori, this is Anton from GT Canada. How are you doing?
Hi Anton, how are you?
I'm good. Hey, about a couple weeks ago, you entered a contest that we had posted on YouTube, and I'm letting you know that you have been drawn as the winner.
Awesome! That's fantastic!
What are you guys going to do with it?
I think, I'm not sure what my friends will do with theirs, but I think I'm going to buy myself a little Christmas present.
Oh, well, that's...
I'm not sure what yet.
It's always fun to get free money, eh?
For sure, for sure. I'm so glad I entered that contest.
Yeah, so I just want to thank you for entering the contest and following the rules and sharing it with your friends. And I hope the money helps you guys out this Christmas and that you guys enjoy yourselves.
It will, for sure. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
All right, and please be sure to share the channel with your friends and family. Let them know. We're going to do some more draws coming up, so make sure you stay subscribed and you get the bell so that when we do an update, you'll get a notification.
Okay, I'll keep watching and I'll let all my friends and family know.
All right, I hope you enjoy it and have a good Christmas.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
You have a good Christmas too.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, bye
Okay.
for now.
Yeah, bye. So there it is. It's that easy to win on GT Canada. Some of you in the comments were saying, "I don't think this is legit. How can I trust you? If you didn't enter, you missed out." If you're watching this and you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe below, because we are going to be doing more draws, and when we do, you can win. While you're waiting, check out some of the other videos over here. Tune in next time. Until then, have a great day.